Looking for a powerful and stylish Bluetooth speaker? Say hello to the Boatstone 650, your perfect audio companion for any occasion. Key features of Boatstone 650. 1. Powerful 10W sound. Feel the thumping bass and immersive audio with the 10W drivers, delivering crystal clear sound whether you're indoors or outdoors. 2. Up to 7 hours playback. Enjoy non-stop music with its impressive battery life. With up to 7 hours of playback time, it's perfect for parties, picnics, or personal relaxation. 3. IPX5 water resistance, built to handle splashes and light rain. The Stone 650 is your ideal companion for outdoor adventures or poolside fun. 4. Integrated controls. Conveniently control your music with easy-to-use buttons for play, pause, volume, and track changes. 5. Stylish and durable design. The sleek mesh texture and rugged body combine style with durability, ensuring it looks as good as it sounds. Why choose Boatstone 650? Portable and compact. Take your music wherever you go. Exceptional sound quality, perfect for music, podcasts, and calls. Water resistant, ideal for outdoor use. Affordable, high quality performance without breaking the bank. What's in the box? Boatstone 650 speaker, charging cable, user manual. The Boatstone 650 is more than just a speaker. It's your portable sound system that keeps the party going. Comment below your favorite song to play on this speaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings.